wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, good morning. My name is Dewi Sukriya. Today I will tell you a story about Abu Nawas. The title of my story is A Fair Share. One day, there is an old judge. He had been sick for 3 months. Many doctors tried to cure him, but he didn't get better. One day, he called his son. He is Abu Nawas. My time will come soon, Abu, he said to Abu. King Harun al-Rashid will appoint you to be my successor. Take it if you think you can be a good judge, but leave it if you think you cannot to be a good judge. Not long after that, Abu's father passed away. Abu was so sad and so confused. He was sad because he lost his father, and he was confused because he didn't want to replace the father position. But he had not had any good reason to refuse it yet. And then one day, he saw children playing with hobby horses. It's made from the midrib of the banana leaf. He met one and he joined them. They ran around happily. Finally, they went to the palace with their hobby horses. And then on the other side, some minister saw Abu among the children. They thought that Abu was made for the father had just died, and then they report this to the king. After that, the king didn't believe them. He called Abu to come to the palace. And then when Abu came to the gate of the palace, a guard stopped him and said, "Hey, listen. I will let you in. But if you want to promise me something." "Promise you what?" Abu asked. "Promise to give me half of anything that the king will give you." "Okay, no problem," Abu said. The guard let him pass the gate into the palace. After that, when Abu was in front of the king, he bowed but didn't say anything. The king asked him, "Will you be a judge like your father, Abu?" Abu didn't say a word. The king became impatient and said loudly, "Hey, Abu, do you hear me?" Abu Nawas didn't say a word, but he began dancing. And then the king was very angry and thought that Abu Nawas was crazy. He asked one of his guards to beat Abu Nawas with a rotten stick 20 times. And then Abu was in pain, but he tried not to cry and say a word. "Now go away," said the king. Abu left the palace. and began to beat the guard 10 times. And then he left the guard to home. After that, the guard reported this to the king. The king was angry and ordered Abu to come to the palace again. And then the king asked Abu, "Why did you beat this guard?" Calmly Abu Nawas answered, "Yesterday, before I passed the gate, he stopped me and made me to make a promise something. What did he want you to promise?" "He wanted me to give him half of anything that your majesty would give me. And yesterday you gave me 20 bits on my back. So I give him sir 10 bits on his back. Is this fair, isn't it?" Okay, I think that's all of my story. That is the funny story. We can get the main point of the story. The main point of the story is don't be a greedy people. Okay, thanks a lot for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.